Good afternoon. My name is Ben Sessions. One of the things that clients are really concerned about whenever they go to hire a lawyer is, what is it that I'm actually paying for? Am I paying for your actual time? Am I paying for your experience? Am I paying for your judgment whenever it comes down to really difficult decisions? What is it that I'm actually getting whenever I pay a lawyer a huge sum of money to handle my criminal case, for example? And the answer is, you're really paying for a conglomeration of all those things. You're paying a lawyer for their time, their experience, their expertise that they built up, but you're also paying for the cumulative knowledge that that lawyer hopefully has whenever it comes down time to make really difficult decisions. Usually those difficult decisions are ones that really involve the resolution of the case. So strategically, the decisions that the lawyer is going to make in how to handle the case going along, but also, do you accept an offer that's made in your case? Do you accept a proposed resolution that the government's going to make for the resolution of the case? That's usually a plea offer. Or do you reject it and go to trial and face the risks associated with a trial? Those decisions are ones that, while there's a limited amount of investigation that can be done in any criminal case. You can know everything about the alleged victim in the case. You can know everything about the police officer who performed the investigation of the case. You can know everything about your client. You can know everything about the science that's involved in the case, or know it as well as possible. So there's a finite level of preparation that a lawyer can do in advance of that. The really difficult thing is combining all of that stuff together to know what it is your client should or shouldn't do, and the real exposure that your client faces as a result of that evidence. So how strong is that evidence? How well can you contradict or impeach that evidence? How well can you draw into question the credibility of the witnesses that the government has? Those are things that really, it takes a much more experienced lawyer to know. You cannot rely upon a lawyer who's only had a couple of years of experience to tell you, this is how all this stuff is going to come together. This is how you can expect it to play out at trial. And this is the risks or the benefits associated with that evidence. So really, whenever you're evaluating, is this really expensive for me? Know that there are some decisions that are going to have to be made down the road. And if you've got a really good lawyer and one that's really experienced in making those types of decisions and has seen how these things play out down the road, they can give you really good advice. Really good advice that is, while it seems relatively expensive, it's actually really cheap given the cumulative experience that that lawyer has if they know what they're doing. So that's really how the fees come down, because those are difficult decisions sometimes about how it is that a client can proceed or should proceed based on the experience of a lawyer. And unless you have someone who has that sort of experience level, they really can't give you good advice about it. If you have any questions, any concerns, think I'm right, think I'm wrong, or just have questions about fees that lawyers set and that sort of thing, feel free to call me or leave a comment below. My name again is Ben Sessions. My phone number, 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.